Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, front bucket seats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.